streaming. Alright, we should be live. Let me check. Okay, we are live. Let me do the Sherry thing. Oh, I gotta log in, that's right. Since I'm on my laptop. Huh. No, what is happening? Why is it refreshing? What? YouTube... What? The YouTube live thing just... The tab just crashed. Like what? Let me get back to the live dashboard. That was weird. How dare you crash on me? Okay, OBS is showing green, so we are good. Excuse me. I guess I can share here. Maybe. Hold on. Okay. See if I can. I'll just log on to Twitter on my laptop. Hey Rashad, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Wait a minute. That was my password. Okay. There we go. I've logged into the Twitter. Ooh. Linux development workstation. Game settings. What is this? I gotta check that out later. Let me keep the tab open. Alright, so. We're gonna be doing some programming stuff. Probably all day. I don't know about all day, but at least like for a while. Let me go to the gaming chat. And there we go. We're good to go. Let me scoot up a hair. Alright, so what I'm making, I hope you guys can hear me okay. Let me tilt my microphone up a little bit. Hey Kibao, how's it going? So what we're making is a plugin maker that you can test in real time, as you can see here. It's a blank screen because there's no plugin being ran at the moment. But yeah, it actually runs the entire RPG Maker game. And this is going to be very fun to make. I can actually get rid of this because I was using a different method, but yeah. So can you guys hear me okay? Everything good? That game, bye. Fine. Like I care. Bye, no credit. It's not even a game, scrub. Alright. Speaking about coincidence, I'm getting mad dealing with plugins right now. That is a coincidence. Okay. Now, I definitely gotta organize everything because, hold on. I'm not even gonna use JSDoc. Up your mic bass till you sound funny. Alright, so, yeah, let me organize the things here, so. Nav elements. I can actually get rid of that. No, I'm actually going to keep that because like that's the thing that I'm going to create that I haven't yet. Yeah, I'm just going to... Well, that's stupid. Why would I do that? Okay, hold on. This was new project. Button. The capitals. But yeah, if this gets too boring though, we will do some mapping or something. All depends. Dude, you were very late, Tyler. I've been past 15K like ages ago. I'm actually pretty close to approaching 19,000, sort of. I'm actually gaining like a little over 100 subscribers a month, which is pretty nice. Especially considering I don't upload that much. But that might change soon. Button. Open. Open. Okay, button open. It's gonna... Actually, I'm going to tab these up. Cancel, verify. Okay, so... Button, play test. One issue, though, is content. Yeah, pretty much. RPG Maker has a niche follower base. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, kind of, sort of true, but it's also the fact that I have, like, literally no, will to come up with other things, but I'm trying, and, there might actually be some success with that here soon, because I might have actually come up with an interesting idea. We'll see, though. This is verify window elements. No. Button. Cancel. Hey there, Mr. Cram. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Oh, you talking about Fear and Alex? Yeah, I don't know, like, once you play Dark Souls enough, it kind of gets repetitive, like, yeah, there's only so much you can do. I mean, yeah, you can try new builds and everything, but once you beat the game already, it's like, eh. Favorite RPG Maker? XP. RPG Maker XP, for sure. That was the first RPG Maker I've had, and it was, like, very fun as well. We're actually trying to expand it. Making a game with some nice edges. Huh? Oh, expand the RPG Maker follower base? Yeah. Let me turn my brightness up. Oh, it's like very dark. Okay. Standard. Yeah, we'll go with standard. That's actually bright enough to burn my freaking eye sockets. Let me go a little bit. There we go. That's perfect. Move you back over here. And why are you using MV if I like XP more? That's actually a good question, but mostly because I find programming in MV is the best for me. And whatnot. But yeah. Yeah, I feel like I find programming in RPG Maker MV is... Well, I'm more used to it. And plus, MV has a lot more to offer at the moment for me. Even like, again, though, XP is definitely my favorite. But right now, if I'm going to do anything in RPG Maker, I would probably choose MV. I don't know, though. Might start making XP videos. We'll see. If you're looking for work with plugins and plugin management, we could talk. Maybe, I don't know. That all depends on, like, a lot of people have been, like, asking me to help with their projects and stuff lately. But I'm going to be ridiculously busy because, so, you know how, like, I was choosing to get into IT? Well, I ended up, like, okay, when I talked to the counselor for the vocational rehab thing, she told me to choose 3 things that I would enjoy the most as a career. And so I chose robotics engineering. So that's going to be a process. It's going to take a while to get to, but that is going to be what I'm going to pursue. And they're going to be, you know, helping me go for that, which is going to be nice. It's going to be really nice. What thing RPG Maker needs? Huh? What do you mean, Cram? Okay. So we have all of our buttons here. Now, wait a minute. What other button was there? There is the code editor. Now, do I already have... Yes, I do. I have Ace Builds Master in. Do I have the script already loaded? Yes, I do. Awesome. Perfect. Code editor. So I need a code editor div there. Let's see. And then this... Oh, I already have an ID of code editor. code editor container. Right now it's just an empty function. So what I need to do is I need to, well, first, let's do, what can the plugin maker do? Basically what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to develop plugins using JavaScript and everything, of course, like normal. No crate. Dude, I don't know why that's been happening, but like I've lost a lot of people on Steam for some reason. Just add me back. Like send a request. Anyways, yeah, so basically what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to create multiple scripts in chunks as well, so you don't have to worry about having one massive wall of code. Like for example, let me JS plugins. Let me show you my character creator thing here. This is a massive wall of code. And what my plugin maker would do is it would actually separate those into multiple scripts, but once it's eventually it'll compile it down to one script, but it'll allow you to work on your plugin like through multiple scripts. And I'm hoping to emulate a sort of module function as well. That'd be really neat. What do you think the RPG Maker needs? Like, oh, what RPG Maker needs is a dedicated team, I feel like, that actually produces resources regularly. Like, I think Interbrain, or, I think Interbrain still owns it. Whoever owns RPG Maker now, I think what they need to do, or not owns, like, Interbrain is, hang on, what? How am I getting this confused, dude? I know it's T-Cool or whatever, but, like, what are the original, like, what is their company name? I don't remember. Anyway, the people who own RPG Maker, what they should do is they should, like, create a team that produces resources on a regular basis. Talking music, even plugins. Music, plugins, everything like that. And then just put it on the market. Put it on Steam or their website. Wait, what? Kibao? We're dealing with a Japanese localization. And no plugin is working properly. RIP. Be right back. Sorry. Oh wow. RIP, Tyler. RIP. Yeah, I always stay offline because otherwise, like, the insane amount of people that I've added, like, I just almost constantly see pop-ups. Like, this person is playing X. This person is messaging you. But that's okay, though. Can I read property match of undefined? That's where learning JavaScript will come in handy. It should tell you, like, what line of code and from what script that error is coming from. There's an undefined variable that there's trying to match from some script. I don't know what script that is, but yeah. Okay, so position absolute, because it needs to be absolute for the Ace editor. Top. Oh, wait, how much was the nav thing? How high did I have that? Oh, I didn't. Let's just do 24 pixels for now. Width. Calc. We're gonna do 100% minus 2. Let's do 144 pixels for the container, for the menu. Background, RGBA 0.5, just so I can see it until I need to do a height though. 100% minus 24 pixels. Close you down, restart you, and there we go. So there's gonna be our code editor. It's a little off, so let's do 22 pixels. I need a freaking refresh function, dude. Oh my gosh, can I, like, stop this thing from popping up? How can I stop this thing from popping up? Notifications? Income overlay. Yeah, okay, I think I stopped it there. Love your channel. Hope you can finish some game one day. Thank you. Appreciate that. It's that hotkey. Oh. Yeah, try asking SR Dude about it. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's slightly off, because it's going to be invisible. Actually, now what we're going to do is we're going to enable the editor. So we're going to do aceeditor.js. We're going to create aceeditor.js. Editor. Okay, so what I need to do now is figure out how I did my previous ace thing with me mapping. It was Node.js compiler is what it was, and then I had the Ichi, and then... No, not the zip! Son of a hook. Okay. So then I did... Where was it? Oh, this is so messy. There we go. Bar editor. I don't need to worry about these. Alright, so what that's going to do is... Oh, I need to change output to ace container. And then we have our code editor. So, I go back here. And there's our code editor. We can do all kinds of cool stuff. It's a really nice code editor. It's called Ace. You guys should check it out if you don't know about it. But yeah, testing the plugin and everything. So let me go ahead and show you that. Let me just prove that that works. When you do the... Oops. Oh yeah, I didn't have to restart that. When you do your the test thing, you have like the game actually pop up in this window here. You can still do your full screen stuff. And your scaling. All your functions still work and everything. SL1? What's that? How do you have 79 hours yet complain about being boring and I have 306 hours? So if you want to try. I don't know. Just not my game, I guess, you know? So, but we need to actually store this inside of, okay, let's do div class equals content container. So unless you have a project that's open, you're not going to be able to see it. We'll actually set that up here in a bit. But what I want to do now is div id equals, script container. Let's call it a script. Yeah, let's call it a script container. Let's do position absolute again. Only this time we're actually having the width be 144 pixels. Height is going to be the same because it's... And instead of top, we're just... Yeah, top, and then we're going to do right 0px. Background, let's just do white for now so we can see it. Hello there, GamerCore. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, I like that. I like this a little bit tiny. Could actually expand that a little bit more. So let's say, let's do 206. No, let's try 206. There we go. That's better. Yeah, I like that. It looks good. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna drink my coffee. That's what I'm gonna do. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, I love freaking McDonald's coffee. I don't eat McDonald's because like fast food is disgusting. We used to survive on it, but you know, not anymore. But the coffee, oh my gosh, you can't beat it, dude. McDonald's coffee is the best. Arguable, but still. I need to kind of separate these as well. I'm gonna do some commenting. Even though it's pretty obvious. Nainer. No. Invisible bike. No, this is actually the file container thing. That's how you actually open the file. Why the name changed from Will the Unpro? Oh, I don't know. What's my new name? I don't remember I changed it. Oh, whatever. Oh, yeah, it's just the Unpro again, I think. Khakis. Where's my chat? Oh, that was weird. I don't know how it separated, but whatever. Okay. Gotta keep them separated. Escape code? Yes. What do you think? What do you think is going to be in the next RPG Maker? I have no idea. I'm hoping they switch to C++ though, because that's like so much more powerful. But it's also a lot more confusing to learn. But that's actually not true either. My only problem is the same problem everybody else has, and that's I don't have a strong enough interest to stay focused on learning C or C++. I try to get into C, but the only thing that's holding me back from C is I need to find some sort of global thing that'll allow me to do GUI. And I don't mean like OpenGL stuff. I mean, just standard window components like buttons, text boxes, stuff like that. I need to find something that'll allow me to do stuff like that for every operating system. And the problem with that is, though, with Linux, you have Xserver, but you also have Wayland, which is the newest thing. And a lot of, there were, some Xserver-based programs that for some reason didn't work with Wayland. I remember, trying one. I don't remember what it was, though. It was a while ago. But anyway, so, finding some kind of universal thing would be weird. You want to see high characters again? Well, you can technically do that with Envy and all the other RPG makers, but by default, yeah, it would be nice to see, that happen again. Verify container. There we go. Now we've kind of separated our invisible bike with everything else. Okay. Oh, I need to do... scripts. Okay, so now we have our ace container, right? And we have this over here, which is good. I'm gonna close that down. I'm actually gonna make that invisible again. Or should we do a gradient? No, let's make it invisible. Now we need to actually add some content to it. So what we're gonna do in our script container, we're gonna do center B. Oops. Oh, okay. Bye, Gamercore. Oh, never mind. Bye, Cram. I'm sorry. I thought you were saying bye, as in you were leaving Gamercore. Alrighty, Cram. Take care, dude. Now, let's do scripts. Oh, yeah, we need to change the font color. Also, I need to do user select none. So, you can't, select some of the text for no reason. Color white. Let's see. There we go. The font family, though, I want to make that Arial. No, we can actually make a game font because, yeah. Huh. No, let's just... yeah, let's just make it Arial. There we go. That's, yeah. Let's see. HR. I need to stylize HR. Background, none. Border, none. Border, bottom. Solid, 1 pixel. Solid. What? 1 pixel, and we're gonna make it number 3377 or 5577. Like a bluish. EIV ID equals scripts. And I'm just going to call it scripts. Let's see how the HR looks. I like it. And it should look... oh, fudge. No. Okay, so this needs... the problem with that is we have our... where is it? Our verify class. But what we need to do now is we need to give it a Z index. So doing that, it should fix that overlap issue. There we go. Awesome. So far, so good. By the way, guys, seriously, though, please let me know if this is boring, because I will switch to something else. But I find it easier to do some programming when I'm live streaming it for some reason. Because if this was earlier, without live streaming, I'd be like, I I'd be so bored. And I don't know why, but I actually have energy today, so that's why I'm doing it a stream. Hey, the artist in Travado, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. But yeah, for some reason, it's weird that I actually have energy today, which is unusual. Welcome to the world of zero motivation, right? I've been a part of that world. Part of it. Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's bad. Wait, why do I have a code editor button? No, we don't need a code editor button, my dude. Clickable elements. RPG scenes, why is that even there? Tester, think I can close that. Untitled, I can close that. Preview.html, I can also close that. Okay. Yeah, why do we have a code editor button? Like it's not even needed. Yeah. New project, open project, and test plugin. Yeah, okay, cool. Awesome. Although the test plugin thing, that's gonna be... Okay, now I need to make a new script, actually. I need to make a script that... It's gonna be called IO. You're learning to contact Juggle? Huh? Well, good luck with that. I don't even know what that is. So where are we laying? PC Tech Tips, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Hey Juan, how's it going? Also, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Okay, we need... Okay, let's just... Function... Project init, I guess we're going to call it. And we're going to need function... Save. And then... No, we're just going to call it write. Function read. No. Actually, let's do this in a more professional way. Less jank way. So we're going to do function file IO. This.initialize. Hold on. Apply this arguments. File IO.prototype equals object.create. Just going to file IO.prototype.constructor equals file IO. Actually, I don't think we need to do this way, but I'm going to do it this way anyway. Hey, can you help me in a project? Just like I was saying earlier, like, I get a lot of requests like that, but I'm going to be super busy with real life. But it depends on how much help you need. Like, what do you need help on? File io.prototype.initialize this function. Console.log. It worked. I'm just going to see something. Var file equals new file io. And I need to... When dot... How do you show the... Okay, so... What was it? Show dev tools. You know what? No, we can find it better this way. Here it is. Dot show dev tools. That's what it was. So, we needed to show the dev tools. So we, yep, it worked. There we go. Yay. So our file input output thingy is working. Now we do file io dot prototype dot write equals function file project and then data. Okay, time to go, unfortunately. See you soon. If interested in working with us, send a message. It's paid work, of course. That depends on what you need done, though, Keybao. What do you like? What do you need done? If you're still here. I don't know if you left yet, but yeah. Because even though it might look like I'm pretty good at plugin development, I'm actually not. I'm not too great. I mean, I'm not bad, but I'm not like... I don't know, like, I can't, for some reason, I don't do things as professional as others. I don't know why. Like, other people have, like, these really complex-looking scripts. Plugin management. Java server stuff. Yeah, like, how complex, though? I can do basic stuff. I mean, I might contact you because, like, the worst thing that can happen is we're just back to square one. If all else fails and, you know, nothing really happened. Your Patreon link is 404? Oh, thank you. I can actually fix that right now. Hold on. I can't even see. Oh my gosh, the screen is turning. Hold on. What the heck? Hold on, guys. Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of the sponsor thing as well because I'm not partner anymore. That should work. That shouldn't be 404. Oh, let me see. Yeah, it works for me. Huh. I don't know why it's not working for you. I'll send a direct link. But yeah, that works for me. Huh. How strange. Procrastination, by the way. I love your name. Yeah, that is. It's in the description of the video. That's the link. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Let me go ahead and change that then. If I can see. There we go. Thank you. I appreciate that. I actually did not know that it did that. Hey, Scorchnecko, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So we're gonna do some JS. Oh, oops. So I'm using Synergy so I can use my same keyboard and mouse with a laptop. And I accidentally just now sent the thing over there because the mouse was over on the laptop. Okay. So we're gonna actually do some JS doc. Function, file IO, description, input, output. I don't know. And then at method, initialize. Start. Now it's actually, even though it's somewhat useless to be doing this, it's not necessarily useless. It's actually good practice as well to do JS docs. So I'm trying to stick with that. Write a file. And we have param, string, project, param, string, data. I once made an AI a while back. Did you really? Awesome. Was it a neural network thing, or how'd you do it? Oops. What the? Oh, Visual Studio Basic? Or Visual Basic Studio? Yeah. Visual Basic stuffs. I've never actually gotten into Visual Basic. I hear like it was a good language like back in the day to start with though. Is that right? File. What the? Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do okay. JS/editor. No, wait. No, it's projects, yeah. Okay. I'm actually not going to include the JS part. And then the data would be data. And then function ERR. If ERR, throw ERR. So if there's an error, it's going to console log the error. Oh, voice bot script. Oh, cool. I thought it was like Visual Basic or something. But yeah, that's awesome. I never actually heard of voice bot script. So it's like a text-to-speech AI thing. Now we're going to do read. Read file. Let's get rid of the data thing. ERR, data, and then return JSON. Wait a minute. How can we do this asynchronously? Well, we don't really need to. No, yeah, we got this. Return. We don't need to return it actually. We need a variable here. This dot loaded content. Can actually get rid of the console log because we know that works. This dot. Wait a minute. Okay, so the problem here, FS. When we type in this, it's actually going to refer to, well, I think the FS thing itself. So what we need to do is we need to do var some symbol or some name equals this. So then we're going to do this dot loaded content, or what we could do is call a function if you wanted to, but we don't need to do that. We can actually just do this. I like to do var $ equals this, and then we can just do the $ dot loaded content to return this value here. Is equal to JSON dot parse data. So that we should have a read and write thing going on now. So if we do console.log file, when we initialize this, we should see all of our functions. We have initialize, read, write, and we have our constructor. Awesome, perfect. That is exactly what we need. All right, now, sorry, my volume dropped for some odd reason. What were you trying to do? What do you mean? Oh, so you talking about the $ thing? Okay, so basically, when you, if we were to type, okay, hold on. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. I need to make some kind of JSON file. I can explain it. Okay, so if we were to try and set the value of right here, like this dot loaded content, you wouldn't be able to type this dot loaded content in here because it would just be setting a variable called loaded content for FS, for the FS module, I believe it was. I think that's how it works. I remember having issues with that. So what I do for a workaround is I actually link a variable to the current thing. So $ is equal to this. So then all I have to do is do the $ dot loaded content, which will actually return this value here. So I can set that value to the data that we load. All right. So I'm actually going to name it capital file. And there we go. Now I need to go ahead and make an initializing script. Initialize.js. No! I hate when I accidentally close the thing. So, now we have our initialize.js. What this is going to do is we're going to do... okay. Let's have a callback function. Yeah, let's make a callback in the read. So instead of throwing error, we're just gonna do callback.apply this arguments. No, we need. Yeah, that should work. So confusing. If I need work done, I'll definitely hire you. That's like you're like the third person today to like request that. Even though it technically wasn't a request, but Yeah, okay, so initialize.js. We're going to do file.read, and we're going to try project core function. So right now, it's going to say failed. See? It's going to fail because that file does not exist. So our callback function successfully works. All right. So we're not going to console log anything. But I am going to read project main file. If project main file doesn't exist, create it. So we're going to create the JSON file since it failed, since it doesn't exist. So what we're going to do, file.write project core.json, and then the data, we're just going to have it empty for now. We're going to change that later, but for now it's going to be empty. Now it'll say failed. We'll reload it a second time, and it doesn't fail because the file now exists. The file is now in projects, and you can see right there. There it is. Although, okay, so we have a little bit of a problem there. We did not actually stringify the data. So json.stringify the data. So we can turn it into a string. We can turn the object into a string. That's what we needed to do, and we did not do that. So now I need to delete that and then recreate it. So failed, and then there we go. So the file is created, and now it's an empty JSON file. Now let's see. We need scripts. So let's do. Let's actually do it through. Let's actually delete that file and let's do it through the initialize. So what we're going to do is we're going to do var init equals init data is equal to. We're going to create an object here. We're going to do project name null because we don't have a project loaded. Project file. We're going to do that later as well. No, we can actually just stick with a project file. We can actually just call it project. So our project will be loaded later. So that way it automatically loads the previous project you were working on. We need scripts, actually. All we really need is scripts. So we're going to do, instead of file write to that, we're going to do init data. So now when we create the thing, you'll see that it creates these as well. Hello there, Loki. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So there we go. We're good. So that's the initializing. Now we need. Okay. Ooh, actually, hold on. Hold on now. How do we check if there's a fail? Oh, whoa, wait a minute. I think I can do, ooh. Hold on now. Dot call. This failed. We can do var failed. Oops. It was false. If ERR, then failed equals true. And then we still call the callback regardless. If callback, then we're going to call it. So if you didn't initialize a callback, then it's not going to call it. So it's always going to say failed now because we didn't. Yeah. If failed, and that should work. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. It should be reading the data now as well. So we do console.log data. We need to pass a data value as well, though. So data. I'm actually going to call that. I'm just going to call it failed. There we go. Awesome. Holy crap, that somehow worked. It's like the first time it's gone to 480p. Why? OBS is showing green, dude. Rip. I don't know why YouTube does that for some reason to some people. I also used to do batch coding on Windows. Batch is easy to learn and powerful. Simple. I made something evil on a virtual machine that constantly opened up Google without end. Oh, okay, good. Awesome. I'm glad it's fixed. So, I don't know. That's like the first time I've ever done a successful callback thing. So, I'm kind of excited about that. So, like, what we're going to do now, we're going to do function new file data. Create project core. Don't need the, well, we're going to keep the console log in for testing purposes, but create project core. And there we go. Again, though, it is good practice to do this. If the main file doesn't exist, we create it. But now we also need a thing. So we need, hello there, Cram. Welcome back. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a variable. Var editor, project core. And we're going to set it to an empty string. So we're empty objects. Project core equals parse data. Wait a minute. There we go. So we don't even actually need this right here. We don't even really need... Holy crap, this is awesome. We don't even technically need an initialize thing. Wow. Like, this is the first time I've ever done anything properly. Like, I'm actually excited about this. So we don't need this or that. So what I can do, though, instead of having to JSON.parse everything like this, what I can do already is pass over the callback. Like that. So there we go. Awesome. Yes. Hello there, NKs. Welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. Have I seen your maps? I don't remember. I think I did. Oh, yeah, on Discord. You sent them on Discord. I remember. Yep, you only get better. You know, the more you do things, the better you get. And it's a fun process. Mapping is actually one of the things that I really enjoy. Sometimes. Sometimes I can get really bored of it, but, you know. Am I losing my voice? Holy crap. I haven't been this active in, like, forever. Okay, my brain is starting to fart, though. So we've created the project data. We don't need to... So, I do need to see if this successfully... Oh, no! Okay, so... I need a console log failed. Failed? What? What? Yeah, so failed is true. What? Okay, what is happening? What? So it's not doing the callback for some reason? So it's actually ending the script. What is happening? Oh, it's okay, though. We will get to the bottom of it. What? So it's ending before the callback. The callback is actually what's working. Or what's not working. Maybe we need to do apply. What? Hold on. Why? Why you no work? Why? It was working before. Hold on. Let me undo everything and try to figure out. Did we need the initialize for that? Huh? What? We did. For some reason, we needed initialize. Huh. Okay, then. There we go. So it does work now. What? Okay, that was weird, but that's okay. We got it. Good work, bro. Right? And hello there, Blue Cube Noob. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So we don't need to console log that anymore. We know everything now works. We have our default project data here, and now we're gonna do some really fun stuff. Display scripts. Now, the content container needs to be onion. Okay, brain, don't do this to me now. We got this. We got this. Okay. Was it a class, right? I think it was. Display none. So that way when we open this up. Ooh, hold on. Oh, yeah. That's right. That script doesn't exist. That's okay, though. We're going to change that in a few minutes. Haven't been on this channel since horror game series. Oh my gosh, dude. You have been away for a while, my friend. But welcome back, Blue Cube. I'm glad to have you back. Coffee is the most amazing thing to ever friggin' happen to humanity. Like, ever. Okay, so. Come on, brain. No. Don't start derping. We got this. Okay, relax. That was disgusting. I was trying to breathe through my nose and I swallowed a loogie. Okay, now. I need to go to the clickable elements here. And we need to do the thing. What was this called? Verify file name and then create file. Okay. Yeah, actually I can have this button be outside of that, right? That should still... No, not test plugin. No! That's okay. So I need to actually do... Wait a minute. No. Yeah, I do. Dang it! Son of a hippie. Alright, so what I need to do there... I could actually do a workaround, but I'm not going to bother doing that. It doesn't matter. I can just do... That was weird. I don't know why... What? How did it copy? Huh? Okay, that's fine. You do you. Magical copy and paste of confusion. Alright, so now we do create file. I'm going to drag this over here because I'm kind of annoyed having to... yeah, so we're going to erase that. And then we're going to do... File.write. Ooh. No, I got a better idea for the initialize thing. Instead of doing it like this, we can do... Okay, watch this. So if it failed, all we have to do now is file.write, and then we're going to do file.init data. I'm actually going to bring this init data over here and have it a default. So that way, since we're going to be accessing it from multiple positions, so this dot init data. Wait a minute. I'm going to do it like this. File io.prototype dot init data equals function. Return a new object. Okay, so method file io.prototype, not project, what? Init data. And description. Initialize new project data. Sweet. Okay. What we need to do now is var file name equals document.get element by ID. We are gonna do file name. File name dot value. So now we're gonna do file name, and then we're gonna do fudge. Oh yeah, the initialize. File.init data. Guys, this is looking good. I have not done something this nice looking. Like the way it's coded is just like, it's smexy, dude. Smexy AF. Init data, this needs to be a function. Ow, my back. Wait, what? Huh, that was interesting. Okay, now, let's see. If my brain starts derping too much, let me know. Okay, let's see if it created it. Let me know if you guys are bored. This listening to me makes my brain hurt. Makes your brain hurt. I mean, what? Okay, so V. But don't worry, artisan. If this gets too boring or anything, guys, just let me know, and then we'll go to mapping or something. Honestly, though, I'm having so much fun. JS? No, what am I doing? Projects. And there it is. Test file. But we need to append .js to it. So file name equals this .js. And there we go. What? And then there we go. It needs to be JSON though, not JS. Is your channel make what you want? Yeah, no, but like I don't want people to be bored, you know? I don't want people to be like, man, this dude sucks. He's balling. I don't get what he's saying. I'm about to leave. Alright. JSON. Blah, 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 blah. And there it is. Wef. So now that we have our project stuff going on, what we should do is, okay, we have our project core. And then, yeah, so what we need to do is project core is equal to file.init data. Oh, wait a minute. No. We don't need to do that. What we do need to do, though, is... Okay. Yes, I got this. Awesome. File.read. I'm actually going to have a function as well. We're going to do file.core file. And then that's going to return this value here. So, IO, and then we're going to do function. There we go. Now, file.core file. And then we have our failed and success. Function failed. I'm currently mapping a Walmart and RPG Maker MV. That's awesome. That is amazing. Data. I don't know if we actually need to do this, but also, we don't need to do this either. We can just actually do file dot create core file. Wow, this is so good looking, dude. File io.prototype.create core file equals function. Function. Return return. Wait a minute. This dot write. That should work, right? Right? I think. Like, yeah. Okay, let me delete the core file and find out. Next time on Dragon Ball Z. There it is. Yeah. What's that sign? We got it. Find out what Walmart looks like. Walmart's huge sometimes. I don't know. Like, some Walmarts are dinky, but you know, other ones are like, holy crap, you can freaking get lost in here. What was I doing? I was derping again. Derp, stop derping. Okay. I was in clickable elements and I was doing file.read and then if it fails, if failed, file dot. Wait a minute. Yeah. No. We don't need to do file.read. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Because I'm going to do the right thing. I'm going to... Yeah, that can be done with saving, though. So I don't need to do that at all. Yeah, let's ignore that. And then what we do need to do, though, is our project core. Dot working file. Workigen. Okay. Project core equals file.init data when we do a new thing. Working file equals we're gonna do this. And there we go. So now when we create a new project, that should happen. And now what we do, document.query selector. What was our thing called? Content container. .style.display equals block. Yeah, we still do need to do the read though, so it initializes. Actually, I'm gonna make an IO function. I'm gonna make it. Hold on. No. First, I need to comment these. Method. But yeah, guys, so are you bored? Description. Create core. Create the main core file. Let's see. Returns the core file. Awesome. There we go. So now I need to do the one function though. Method update core data. Wait. Update last working file. That's what it was. That's what I need to do. Not really turns on her. Okay. Let's do this dot read. Wait a minute. I'll just do this this way. We don't need yeah. If ERR throw ERR. And I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me know if the mic's too loud or anything. So, no, wrong thing. Not really the trip to somewhere really slow. We're starting a destination. Welcome back. Thank you. Okay, so I was doing update last working file. So if there's an error, obviously it's going to throw the error because the project doesn't exist. But now we do, if it does exist, fs.write file. Wait a minute. Var data equals, wait a minute, hold on, no. Var fdata equals json.parse data fdata dot, what was it now? What was that thing called? The working file? Where's the object container that we had? It returns an object. Oh, there it is. Project. Project equals pname. And then fs.write file. Project slash, wait a minute. All we have to do is oh, no. We can just do, we might be able to do it like this. File io.prototype dot, and then it was core file. Yeah. Maybe we can just do that. And then JSON to stringify fdata. And then that should update. Let's see. Var old equals fdata.project. Let's try something. Updated from old to fdata project. Now let's see if that works. That should work. File io.update. Was it last working file? And I might have to actually go here soon, here in a few minutes. File name. Let's see if this works. So, I know that one script still doesn't exist, but that's okay. Now we do my test. Do we get an error? Okay. File. Oh. File is not defined on line 47. Clickable elements. Oh. Whoops. Derp. Oh, look at that. Update last working file is not a function. It is. Oh. What am I doing? I was derping, dude. Like full derp. Okay, good. Here we go. Project is not defined. IO line 52. That's okay. We can get to that. Oh. Oh, no. Duh. Derp me. Uh-oh. Another derp. There we go. Hey, Bio Dwar's stuff. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So there we go. Now, but however, it did not get updated. Console.log. What? Why is it, there's no error, but it's also, so that gets processed. I think it's because the, so it just needs to be this still. Maybe. Has to be it. What is happening? Why is read file not working? That's really jank. So it reads there. What thing is causing the issues? Is it that? We will get to the bottom of this. You have the best idea for your game? Walmart is going to be a dungeon. Oh my gosh. My dude. Why is it the error thing that's throwing then? Okay. Think we're getting somewhere. Oh! 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 I know what I did wrong. What I did, I needed to do this. Projects slash, right? Projects with an S. Yeah. Updated from blank to that. Yes. There it is. Yes, it is. Yes, there we go. It is now updating our previous fudges things. So yeah, as you can see, it's updating to our last file. There we go. That's perfect. That is exactly what we friggin' wanted. So now what we do is in the initialize, we do so project core equals data, and now what we do is file.read project core dot project function failed data, if failed throw return. It just fails. No callback function yet. Yeah, actually, no. Yeah, we're going to do this. Now, if it succeeds, we're going to do document.getElementById, and then we're going to do, wait a minute, .querySelector is what it was. Wait a minute. Actually, no. What we're going to do is function, no, display elements. I'm just going to call it display elements, and it's going to be in the clickable elements. Function display elements. And it should be like this. So now when we load it, okay, okay. Line 15 what? Okay, no. Okay, instead of returning that, I'm going to try and figure out. Okay, so. So let's try and figure this out here. Okay. Huh? Okay, hold on. Console.log data. Oh, it's not parsing. Why is it not parsing? Okay, the read function. There we go. I think that's something you should know, so I'm gonna tell you so. Now we go back to here, and we can do project core. It should be the same. There we go. So now it should be displaying. Yes! Yes! Freaking yes! Now I'm going to do, in the display elements thing, we're going to do, actually we'll just update here. Window.title. No, we'll do it in the display elements. Project, no, clickable elements. Window.title equals, what? Hold on, let me see. Nope. Document.title, right? Yeah, there we go. Equals document.title plus, gotta run to the store. All right, take care, artisan. So yeah, document title plus, oops, what am I doing? And then project core dot file name, wait, dot project. So now, there we go. It automatically loads our project. We do a new one. It's not gonna do anything because. What's that? What's that noise? Display elements. So yeah, we do a new one now. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, that's not gonna work. We need to do. What's it called? Unicode max, and then if custom. Hey, equally epic. How's it going? Frosty, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So in the display elements, we're gonna do name dot replace. Okay, so there we go. And then we're just going to do name. Doing good. Hungry AF. But nothing to make it home. Rip. Go to your next door neighbor's house. Be like, yo, can I, like, borrow some of your food? I'll give it back. I promise. Okay. I'm doing okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Life is interesting at the moment. There it is. Yeah. Replace. There we go. Perfect. Fudge, yes. Now, oh my gosh. Guys, this is so freaking cool. Because the playtest thing. Well, injecting the code. Well, so you don't actually technically have to inject code. And neighbors are scary. Yes, they are. They can be. I agree with that. Display elements. Now, we do... I'm going to put this function in this, actually. Good. Okay, so now what are we doing from here? We do here we go. Yeah. Update script list. And then for var I equals 0, I is less than my game engines. I don't know. Who knows, bruh? Who knows, bruh? Project core dot scripts dot length I plus plus okay var script container equals document dot get element by ID. It was script container. Enter HTML. Script container plus equals Jimmy Neutron for Smash Ultimate. I'm a Smash. Yes, Loki. Yes. Jimmy Neutron does need to be in Smash, I agree. This playtest works. Everything works so far, which is good. Now we need function script object. Return div ID equals script. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is how we're gonna do it. Div ID equals script ID class equals script. C script for clickable script. Project core dot scripts dot name. Oops. ID dot name. Second div. But we need a button. So button ID equals up. Wait, move script ID. Wait, move script. No, it doesn't need to have an ID. On click equals move script up. ID. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now I need that little cursor thing. I need to find those like these little black triangles. Here it is. Why is it images, dude? Screw you. There we go. Second button. Huh, you know what? I'm actually gonna put that after the name. Up and then down. Need the down button. There we go. Changing the icons. Okay, so in your project, Loki, if you go to your project, you'll have an icon folder. Just edit this icon in GIMP or something. That's all you have to do. And then when you export your game, the icon will automatically change. So, like, I can really spoof this icon here. Yeah, it's simple. All you have to do is just change that. Okay, so I'm just gonna separate this. Button, 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 button. So, down. Okay, span style equals float, right? Span div. Okay, so let's actually see how this looks. We're not going to be able to test it yet because we need a script to begin with. So we need to add some buttons over here. Dang it. What? I have an error in this somewhere. Oh. Alright, so now I need to do... No, not script container. This doesn't need to be there. This needs to be... Yeah, no, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. So this needs to be... It's called scripts. Clickable elements. No, it was in here. That's what it was. Here. Yeah. Anyway, what I need to do now is I need to go back to my CSS file. And then do button width. Wait. Display block. Let's try that. No, it's not going to do anything for some reason. Width auto. What? Okay. Padding 0px. Margin 0px. Border radius 0px. And then width 100%. Text align center. There we go. Oh. That looks good. I like that. I like that button. Let's actually do a padding of 5 pixels high and then... Ooh, zesty. Okay, let's do 2.5 actually. There we go. What? I was like getting all excited already. There we go. Predetermined thing, because I already knew what it would look like, because I remember using half values. I know it's bad to use half values like this, but who cares? 2.5 pixels. That doesn't make sense. But it does. You actually have some pixels. And if you don't believe me, I will show you. So 2.5 looks different than 2 and 3. See there? It bumped up a hair bit. Now let's go back to 2.5. There we go. Now watch this. So do 3. It is a hair tiny bit fraction taller. So 2.5. Okay. Sue me. Or don't, please. Okay. So video that you told me I need a resource hacker. Huh? That's kind of weird. Yeah, you definitely don't need a resource hacker for that. Okay, so the new script button obviously does nothing right now because we didn't program it to do jack squat. Script buttons. Document.get element by ID. What was it called? It's called nothing. We didn't actually give it an ID. No. New script button. Dot on click equals le function. I can't believe it's already freaking 11:13, dude. Oh, I love my coffee, even though it's getting cold now. I'm gonna stop streaming here soon. But yeah, so we have our new script button, and then it's gonna do. Let's see. Verify. I'm gonna do a new thing. Verify new script. Uh, here we go. Guys, we're actually almost to the point where we can legitimately test things. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I've actually made so much progress in this stream. Okay, so let's see how this works. It should at least show it. There it is. Let's select a script name. And of course the buttons don't work. Awesome! Okay, oh, clickable elements. Now I need to do that should at least allow me to cancel. Yeah, on both sides, right? Yes. Yes. Awesome. What? Good. It focuses on my. Yeah. Okay. You'll be back in an hour or so? I didn't even see that somehow. You ever play The World Ends You? Gamercore, I have not. And I apologize, I have not seen that comment either. Somehow I missed them. This is kind of weird, but okay. Create file, and then we just need to do. Oh. Button. Create script. Scriptbot. Okay, yeah. So, our script name equals that is so weird looking. Huh, the colors. Alright. I'm getting like completely distracted. Alright. So the script name, I need to at least do this though. Project core.scripts.push name, script name. Contents, none. And then file dot write project core dot project core. There we go. So it should have at least created a script now. So when we open up our project, which is FWE436, we should see the scripts. Yes! There it is! Oh, yes! Okay, so now I also need to do... what was it? It was in display elements, and I need to do... Okay, here we go. Script object. Hi. And... What? Oh no! Why? Okay, let me... Yeah, get that out of here. Is it in initialize? Yeah. Oh! Yeah, wait a minute. Display elements. It should, Update scripts list. What's happening? Okay. Why is the scripts resetting? Console.log data. Okay, so it's resetting for some reason? No, it's there. What? Okay, this is actually annoying. I gotta figure out what magic is happening. It's not test thing. Recode max projects. Is it like loading the wrong file? No. But dude, what? How? Oh, what? How? That doesn't make the tiniest bit of sense, my dude. What? Oh! Oh, okay. What's happening is I'm doing... This doesn't need to be like that. No. What's going on is, this was like... Okay. Yeah, okay. I get it. This, needs to be data.project. Yeah. There we go. Our scripts are now there. Awesome. Woo! That was my brain. My baby. Okay, so there we go. It's actually, okay. Got scripts. There we go. There's our script. We have a move up thing and down thing. Although I don't like what is... No! What did I just close? Is it this? Yes. I'm actually just gonna do... that long. There we go. Cool. Okay, guys, we're almost to the point now. Oh my gosh, I'm actually genuinely excited. This is so cool. We can almost start to actually edit scripts now. I don't know if I'm going to keep working on this, though, because my brain is, like, nullified at the moment. Delete script. UIV ID equals... Wait. Button. ID equal... Wait. On click equals edit script. ID. What? Why? Now let's see how that looks. Janky. What happened to the game I was making? I'm still making it. Which one you mean though? Zypher Force? Or are you talking about the guild thing or what? Zypher Force, I'm holding that for now because I can't make it as good as I want to make it. I can't make it like the way I envision it in my head. Which is probably never going to happen unless, you know. But that is one day though. We'll see. Okay, class equals script title. Class equals script button. And then now we go back here. Script title. Width calc 100% minus 32 times 90. Let's start at 96 pixels. Janky. 104 then. And then we're just gonna do dot script button. Width 32 pixels. Okay. Now we just need to remove the spacing between them by going here and then awesome. There we go. All our buttons should be mostly functional. Well, this needs to be it can be 96 actually. Huh. Yeah, because the padding is perfect. Awesome. So there we go. Our buttons are now working. Although I think I want to have the X button. Let's see. Yeah, let's have the X button actually to the other side of the script. Let's actually have the X button on the very end. Yeah, there we go. Or we can have all these buttons on the... I like that better. No, I don't. Alright, looks like we're dealing with this. Button on the... right here, yeah, definitely. I accidentally refreshed my chat. Alright, guys. Anyway, wait a minute. Up button equals ID is greater than 0. What? Down button is if ID is less than project core dot scripts dot length, and then we're gonna do the down button. Up button, down button. So now, we can't move this up or down. -1. Because, yeah. But the problem with that is, our button... It don't matter, actually. I'll figure out the design for that later, but for now... C script. Background, RGBA. Padding, 2 pixels. Margin, 2 pixels. There we go. Yeah, I like that. How can I do the button thing for the title though? How can I? This is interesting. How about we not make that a button? We just make it a span. Oh, position absolute. We can do it that way. Yeah, okay. Good. We can do it that way, and then we can do this, we can do overflow auto. Background, red for now. Display, width. Yeah, unfortunately, it'll do that. Oh, no, good. We do calc 100% minus 4 pixels. I think that was the padding. Padding was 8. Yeah. Okay, good. Script button. Display. Wait. Position absolute. Right 0. PX. Now I'm hoping the error log should actually tell us that. Delete script is not a function. Huh. On click equals edit script ID. Let's do good. Excellent. So I no longer need the red background. But we are going to do cursor pointer. Overflow auto is not going to work like that, is it? Okay, that's okay. We can do like that. Padding 2 pixels, margin 2 pixels. Now, of course, we're going to have to shrink the thing back down some more. This will be 8 now. No, it would be 12? Yeah, it's 12. Although it's actually not going to be like that when we get rid of this entirely. It would be back to 8. Ooh, programming. A programmer. Yep, Frosty. Frosty Flytrap. That is correcto mundo. So this is a plugin developer thing that you're going to be able to test in real time. Although there's like an offset with the button for some reason. Margin top. 4 pixels. There we go. That's an okay enough design. Now, I do want to create another script real quick. And then refresh it, because like we didn't. No! BR. Okay, let's do P. Oh, son of a... Hey, let's do HR, actually. Both? Because we have the absolute thing. Okay. So maybe we don't need the absolute position. Let's get rid of that. But the width then is like... Okay, margin top. Let's do No, because that's gonna... Okay, I know what we need to do. Script spacer. And we're gonna do height 24 pixels. What? Why, dude? Wait. Oh. Yeah, it's really cool. We've been working on this a lot, though, so like my brain is pretty much full derp now. There we go. I like that. Though I do want to edit the file here, and I want to just... see... What? Why is there... Why did it have errors? Oh. What? Why does it have errors? Oh, no comment at the... Yeah. I just want to see if it... Oh my gosh, that's a lot of scripts. Yes, it does scroll properly, kind of. What we need to do now is the script container. No, what was it called now? No. Yeah. Content container and script container. Okay. It was a class, right? The script container, or was it an ID? Okay, it was an ID. Overflow auto. There. Now all of our stuff is scrollable, and we can select... Oh man. Okay, we need to just work on this right here. We no longer need a span to float to the right. Up button. Okay, so our up button would be... I'm going to do style equals right. And we're going to do 96 pixels. And then that should bump it over. Oh my gosh, that's way too much. Let's do 32. Okay, so it's 64. Good. 64 pixels, and then the down button would be... That would be 32. There we go. So you can move this down, but you can't move it up because it is... There we go. And then the last script you can't move down. Awesome. So let me know how I can fix this. I want clickable events when I start the game. Error cannot read property X undefined. No idea. There's an event that you're trying to set as undefined, I think. Like the event ID doesn't exist. Try increasing or decreasing the number. That's all I can say. Alright. Now we're going to do... see. Yeah, let's do +1 and then... Nice. I like it. But now we're going to do... Hold on, how do I... It's a slice, right? Dot substring. That's what it was. Okay. Dot substring 0 and 3. Let's try that out real quick, and because it's only going to have like 3 characters, right? Yeah. Awesome. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do var name equals dot name dot length is less than 7. Dot name, and then dot name substring 7. Oh, this one's going to be a little bit different actually, because I'm going to do dot dot. And then, so let's do name. Let's try that out. So they're all janky right now, but if I rename one of them to anything longer, it should cut it and just add, there we go, dot dots. That way you can, okay, we need to do title, font, size, 13 pixels. Padding, let's do 4 pixels on that actually, even though it's going to bump to the right now. But what we need to do is 10, 11, 12. There we go. There we go. We already have everything now. I'm back. Got a fire pizza as well. Now it's just the heat that can go it. Right? Okay. So edit script. What we're gonna do. What was it called now? It was called Ace Editor. It was called Editor. Editor.setValue. Project core dot scripts dot length. Oh, hold on. Project core dot scripts. Project core dot current script. If it exists, so if you're, yeah. Dot current script is equal to editor dot get value. We need a save button at the top. We're gonna do a Control S save. Also, welcome back. Hey, Maverick. Equals editor.get value. So it's value scripts ID. So if I'm right, we should be able to test like this. There we go. Although it's not. Oh yeah. Yeah. Project dot current script is equal to project core dot wait, is equal to ID. That's what it was. So what the fart chunk, dude? Ugh. Oh, dude. Text.match is not a function. What? Oh. Forgot, dude. Yes, there it is. Our stuff is saving now. We have all of our... Yes. I need to actually shrink down the editor though. Code editor container. I actually need to make it 44 pixels. Let's do 46. Because I want a container here that's going to tell you what script you're currently editing. Let's do 42 actually, because that's... minus 206px. Top 24 pixels. Wait, 22. Yeah. Position absolute. Okay. Doesn't matter where that's at, I guess. But I do need to add it to the... here it is. div id equals... What was it called? Oh, class. So, class equals currently editing. Span ID equals currently editing. None. So now it should say none by default. Yep, there it is. There it is. We're going to do color white. I should just do it for the entire document, but... So now, when we do an edit script, also I can get rid of that. We do document.get element by ID, currently editing, .enter HTML equals project core.current script.name. Undefined. Why? Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. The scripts project core.current script.name. There it is. Yes! Guys, we did it! LTN, how's it going, buddy? Check this out, LTN. I'm making a script editor now. Or the plugin maker now, where you can actually test it in real time. Pretty cool, huh, LTN? You made Walmart? Oh. I cannot express how much your dedication really amazes me. Perhaps to you. Where did I learn to code? Painful hours of ADD-infested learning. Like, it is so difficult to learn how to program when you have ADD. You know, like, it's really bad how bad mine is. Like, my attention span is next, you know, it rivals that of a donkey maybe, but still. Great work. Thank you. Appreciate it. Now, see, I was going to stop. Oh, stupid twitching. Oh, freaking shoulder twitching. I was going to stop, but now I'm excited. See, like, LTN, check this out. Some script. Right? It tells you what file we're editing. And yeah, when you... It's so freaking sweet. Oh, I love it. Yes. Woo. Awesome. All right. Now let's actually do the delete. Let's actually add the functions here. Guys, we're almost freaking done. Can you believe that? Well, sort of almost done. So I need to do delete script now. This is messy. I might clean this part up a little bit. I don't know yet. There's actually not a point, though. They're very simple functions. Like, I already have the file I/O is very clean. And I'm, like, really proud of it. So, yeah. This right here, though, it's not even that big of a deal, dude. Update script list. Now, will we do the new script, though? I forgot to do that part. The new script, we're going to do... Update script list. So let's see. We should delete all these files now. Oh! Oh my. Oh my. Okay, we have a problem. Okay, so what's going on is script container.inner HTML equals nothing. I needed to erase the inner HTML first. But there we go. All of our scripts are now deletable. We're deleting them. And there we go. Does I read? Yes, I do read chat. And welcome to the stream, Shinka Plant. Hope you enjoy your stay. Even though I've been streaming for ages now and I'm really tired, but I still... Okay, hold on now. Let's do... Up button location equals... Wait a minute. Projects. Yeah. Projects. No, what am I doing, dude? Wait a minute. No. See, I told you I'm tired. Script -1. 3264. So now we just do... So now, the up button should be located properly at the bottom. Yes, there it is. So now we need to do our move button things. I gotta pee. Be right back. Actually, I think I gotta go. Well, I don't know. We'll see. Hold on. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I hope my microphone's not too loud. Tried to turn it back up to where I had it before. Kind of hard to remember properly. Alright, so, function move script down ID. So this is actually pretty simple to do. Temp equals core.id. Then we're going to do scripts ID equals scripts ID +1, and then we're going to do temp. So what this should be doing is it should move our script down. So let's try that. Oh, and I also need to do a script list. Not what? Name of undefined. Okay. Yeah, and then let's do console.log. How? Because if that's 0, but ID +1. Well, what? Also, hello there. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So I just need to 0, 1. What? Oh! Okay, so what's going on here? Wait, what? Okay. I don't know why I did it that way. That was a little bit strange. But this does not need to be a string. This needs to be a number. So yeah, now we don't need to console log these. Now it should work just fine. There we go. See, yeah, there we go. We can move our scripts down now. Yep, this is RPG Maker NV. We're making a plugin maker that allows you to test your plugins in real time simply by clicking here. And when you need to configure your parameter, we'll get into that later though. But yeah, it's kind of cool. You can open projects or close them. We need to configure that as well. This is going to be a little bit more time before we get things done. But that's okay. We can do this now. Move script up. -1. Now, what we need to do, though, we need to check and see. Wait, no, actually we don't. We don't have to check anything. Because our function, like the way we have it set up is there is no up button for the first one. So the index, oh, there we go. We can always move our scripts now. There we go. Sweet. Of course, you know, they're all named the same. Don't forget to update the number as well. When you move the script up and down, the number should update, right? No, this is just the index, though. This is just the, it's the index of the current thing. That's why it's, so you can see here, like move this up and then edit the same thing. Now what I need to do, though, is I need to detect the on change of the ACE editor. ACE editor on change. Let's see. Set mode. Okay, on. Okay, so it was like that. All right. What I need to do here. Gonna do file dot. I'm gonna do a save thing now. So it automatically saves your progress. Like you don't need to do a save thing. It automatically saves your files. So in order to do that, though, we're going to need to do file dot write file dot, what was it called? Core file. That's what I named it. Project core is the data. So now that should, in theory, save things. We'll see. Yes. So now when I reload it, it didn't save. Okay, what is happening? Okay, why is it not writing to the file, though? It should be. Project... Oh! No! I just screwed up our file. Okay, what I needed to do was save the actual project. So, project core dot project. So I just, like, immensely screwed up our file, so I need to recreate it now. What's going on here? Breakfast. Good morning, though, Joey. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Alright, so, we need to clean that up now. Let me... You know what? Let's go here and do it. Project core. Get out of here. Get out of here! Yeah. Okay, what I need to do as well, when we delete the script, I need to do... file.write as well. File, wait. Project core dot project core. There we go. There we go. It doesn't exist, so it should create. Why? on now. Why is it doing this again? I bet this isn't even getting called, is it? Why? What? Okay, you know what? I'll just do that here. So in the read thing, I'll just do that there. No, I can't do that either. What I can do though is I can actually create an initialize file or a function. Create core file. So let's do function. Wait. File io.prototype.init core system, I guess. That read file io.prototype.core file. Dang it. Why is it I keep getting capitalized? Dang it. Whoa, nice. It's so confusing, man. Yep, indeed. In fact, I can't feel my brain. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna core file and then function data. Wait, ERR data. Be right back. Phone's ringing. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, basically the goal of this though is to make a plugin maker that you can test your plugins in like real time and everything. If ERR file io.prototype.create. Yeah. But why is it not okay, yeah, we need to do FS is not defined, that's okay. I need to do require FS. What? How did this... What? How did this mess up? Like, how did the stupid callback thing suddenly stop? It was working a minute ago, and now it's not at all. Like, what? Do I have to enclose that? Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, yeah, I had to enclose that for some reason. Huh. Okay, now what, though? It's constantly creating the core file. We don't need that, though. Yeah, okay, good. We're good now. The open file doesn't work, so I'm just gonna do a new file. But now, there we go. There we go. We're good now. You play Whack-a-Bug quite often? Oh. Let's try, create some scripts. I need to increase this, though. Two, three. Yeah, let me increase the length on that, actually. Do 12. Got a donkey. What? Hey, Neo! How's it going, buddy? Also, we need to do a thing like when you create a new script. Yeah, it's supposed to be writing it, dude. Oh my... Why? I'm clearly too tired now. Wait, what? Why is Project Core... Huh? Wait, what? How did... Yeah, Wi-Fi touches into Wi-Fi, so it's... Huh? Huh? Wait a minute. What? 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 Oh, what? But it's what? Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. What? Log. Data. Okay, I think I see what's going on. Console.log. Wait a minute. Aha! Wait a minute, though. Huh? Okay. So why is it not updating our scripts? Wait a minute. No, that's not what I wanted to do. So our scripts are empty. But why? It's supposed to be writing, and is it not writing? Our write file. Yeah, it's not writing to our file. What? I don't get it. Because... Well, maybe, hold on. Let me try, Now I'm getting lost. Let's try... It should have written a file called jank. And so that works, but it doesn't... Huh? Oh, wait a minute. No. That's what's going on. Okay, so... Yeah, dude, the humidity's crazy, right? Same old crap, game deving stuff. You know how it is? Yep. Okay, so there we go. Current equals data.project. Wait a minute, though. Yeah, when we created the project file should have been... Okay, let's see. Create new script. Oh. Why is it like that? It should be... It shouldn't be project at all. Why is it doing project? That makes no sense. There's no project value. Oh my gosh. Stop, brain. Particle scripts. Okay, that's create script. That's why. Create file. Particle working file. What am I doing? Here it is, bro. Update last working file name. That's why. That is why. But no, this still makes no freaking sense. Why was I even doing it this way in the first place? Oh my brain, dude, I'm about to pull my hair out, for real. This makes no sense. I can't think straight again. I hate when I get like this. Okay. Breathe, relax, think. Okay, we're loading the project data, right? So if we console log the data, we'll see that there are the project file. But why is the new file becoming... Okay, the new file is becoming that because we're giving the new file something that it doesn't need to have. We're giving it the init data. That doesn't need to have that. What we need to have is a simple object with a name and scripts. Now, let's create a new file. Test. Why does it still... Why? I'm about to start swearing. And the phone's ringing again. I just give up, dude. I might as well stop. Be right back. Okay, so LTN, yeah, dude, I've been streaming for 2.5 hours straight freaking programming on this. So what am I doing wrong? Why does it say project? What? That doesn't make sense. Okay. I'm so lost, dude. Clickable elements. See, project core equals this, and then working file equals file name. No, this needs to be name, so this needs to be like that. And then oh. This is it. No, project core. Try punching the keyboard, it works? Yes. There we go. Now we have the y.json, and then we have... But that's fine, because now we have... Update last working file name. Or last working file. What now? No, wait. So that's good. That's normal because... But now we got to figure out why it's not, So it's failing now. No, it's not. What? What? So it's in the display elements then. It has nothing to do with this. This right here is not failing. I should have known that because the project core is showing. So it's in the display elements. Which was in where? What? What? Oh. There! Yes! Oh. But now it's probably still gonna... There it is! It works! My cousin in the background finished the clap. Okay, so it seems 12 is too much. Let's try 9. There. It's not saving the friggin' text. Mother fudge. Oh my gosh. What's up with the random screaming? What isn't up with the random screaming? What? Wait a minute. That's why. No, why? What? Why? Why? Yeah, ignore the what thing. Not name. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm smart. Smart, 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 smart. No, I'm not, because that doesn't make any freaking sense either, because it should work. Well, no. Okay, so we can do project core dot scripts project core dot current. Wait a minute now, because I got to do the other thing. Guys, we're almost done. Why? Because you bad. Shut up. You bad. I can't brain. My brain no worky anymore. Okay, what was I even remotely doing? It was... I'm just gonna copy and paste this and see if I can't figure it out. If project currency, yeah. Oh, well, that might actually legit work. Oh no. What? Why? Ah! Okay. Oh my no. Why, dude? How's stuff and things? Pretty decent. How's it going with you? How's it going? I gotta figure out what I did wrong, because something is very clearly jank. I can what? Why, dude? What the okay. I need to do project core.contents. Why, dude? That should frickin' work. What is happening? Honestly, I'm genuinely concerned right now. Wait a minute. Okay, so for some reason, checking if that exists. Oh. That's why right there. But why though? Because it should be saving at least. There it goes! It works! Somehow! I didn't change anything, but it magically works. What? Fine. Okay. Not questioning. All I did was like reset back to what it was before I started editing it, and somehow it works. So yay! What? Okay. Yes. Yes. Not too bad. Thought I would miss the stream since I just streamed myself, but still caught you. Another coding feels, huh? Yeah, dude. We've been coding for like 2.5 hours or more, but lunch is almost here, so I'm gonna eat soon. But now what I need to do is, if there's no current working script. Wait a minute now. Ooh, we can do this. Editor.set value project core.current working script. Because I'm pretty sure that gets saved as well, right? Yeah. Current script. If project core dot current working current script if it exists, then it does its thing. Dot scripts project core dot current working badankadank. So now, why does that do a thing? Why does that screw it up? Why does it end the rest of it? That doesn't make sense. It's just an if statement. Okay, hold on now. Console.log. Huh? Huh? Okay, yeah, there it is. Yeah, dude. Oh. I forgot about that. There it is, and now it's editing the last one. Okay. I am almost ready. I am almost Reggie, dude. My body is almost freaking Reggie. We're almost to the point where we can do all kinds of really fun stuff now. And my brain is numb. I mean, literally, my head is actually numb. Okay. So value, I already got that. Document. Get element by ID. What was that thing called? Oh my gosh. Currently editing. Not enter HTML equals. Name. Yes! Woohoo! Got it! Now, when we create a new file, though, we need to set it... Okay. We need to just change this to read-only. I think it was like that, right? Yeah. That's weird. But now we do... Where is it? The edit thingy. Edit script. There we go. So, new project. WEF34. Of course. You know, we don't have a script, so we're not able to edit. Although when we do a new project, though, I do want to... Alright, I want to do... Where is it? New project. Here we go. There we go. What, 4? So yeah, we're editing. Everything is good. Why is it, okay. Whatever, we'll have a save function. That'll do that stuff automatically for us. Now, if we do a new thing... There we go. Editing none, it's read only. And there we go. Although when you create a new script, I want it to automatically set that. So, new script. So when we... There we go. Perfect. Although it's not freaking updating, stupid fart chunk butt muffin booby lard something. Okay, so let's see. Why is it doing its thing? Dot current script. Yeah, so it's frickin' 0, right? Okay, so let's try if project recorder and current script console.log le thingy, just for quick test. Okay, so it's console logging le thingy, which is good. That's what we need. Now we're gonna do project core dot scripts project core dot current script dot contents equals editor dot get value. Ooh, what? Why does that break it? That makes no sense. I very clearly need a break. Yeah, so it's there. And now it's not. What? My brain has never been this confused in existence. That makes no sense. I mean, none. Well, why does that break it? What? Huh? What? Huh? What? 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 Why does that... Okay, so if the current thing is 1... Anyway, I need a break. I need to call it quits because I am so confused. That makes no sense. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye.